and I have come with my new video. So in this video we will study fraction and decimal maths part 2, as we have covered part 1, and I hope that you must be understanding part 1. And as at the ending of the video we have discussed that we will discuss some questions. So now we will discuss here. So what is the first question? 2 into 1 by 5. So this is our first question. So let's solve this. 2 into 1 by 5. As we know that if there is no number at the down of 2, so we will put 1 here. Then we will multiply it. So what we will get the answer? 2 into 1 2 and 5 into 1 5. So this is how we solve this question. And if this answer, this sum 2 by 5 can be divided with another number, so we can do it. If we would get the result 2 by 8, then we can do in the simplest form. What will be answer? 1 and 4. So 1 by 4 must be answer. This is an example, so I am rubbing this. So if another question comes that 2 into 1 by 8, as here it is mentioned, so let's solve this question. 2 into 1 by 8. So as we have discussed that if there is no number, so we will put 1, so we are putting it. Then we will multiply it. So what will be the answer? 2 into 1 2 and 8 into 1 8. So now we will do in the simplest form. So what will be the answer? We will divide it. So 2 1s are 2 and 2 4s are 8. 1 by 4 will be the answer. And if it can be, this 1 by 4 can be divided with one more number, so we can do it, but it is not like that. So now we will discuss magic square. So you must be wondering that what is magic square. So magic square is a square in which when you will add all the sides, row, column, diagonal, and the answer which you will get, if the answer will be equal, then it will be called as magic square. So let's solve this magic square. So first we will write here R1, R2 and R3. Here R is indicating row. Now here this point we will write D1 and D2. This D means diagonal, and this C1, C2 and C3. This is indicating, C is indicating column. So now add this, we will add this row. So first we are adding row 1. 4 by 11 plus 9 by 11 plus 2 by 11. So what will be the answer? 4 plus 9 plus 2. The answer will be 15 by 11. Now we will solve R2. 3 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 7 by 11. What will we get? 15 by 11. 3 plus 5 plus 7, we will get 15. Now R3. So R3, 8 by 11 plus 1 by 11 plus 6 by 11. What will be the answer? 8 plus 1 plus 6 equals to 15 by 11. Now we have completed the solving row. Now we will solve diagonals. So D1, diagonal 1, we will write 4 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 6 by 11, we will get 15 by 11. So we will add, so we will get 15 by 11. Now we will solve D2, diagonal 2. So what we will get? 2 by 11, we will add horizontally, sorry, diagonally. So 2 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 8 by 11. So we will get the answer as 15 by 11. 15 by 11. Now we will solve column. So C1 equals to 4 by 11 plus 3 by 11 plus 8 by 11. What we will get after adding this all? We will get 15 by 11. Now C2 we will add this 9 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 1 by 11. So we will get the answer as 15 by 11. Now we will solve this last column, C3. C3, what will 2 by 11 plus 7 by 11 plus 6 by 11. So what we will get? We will get the answer as 15 by 11. So now we have added all these row 1, row 2, row 3, diagonal 1, diagonal 2, see column 1, column 2 and column 3. So now we will check that are these all sums matching. So first row 1, we are getting 15 by 11, row 2 15 by 11, row 3 15 by 11, diagonal 1 15 by 11, diagonal 2 15 by 11, column 1 15 by 11, column 2 15 by 11 and column 3 15 by 11. So we have solved this magic square and this is a magic square. So we will write therefore this is a magic square. So now we have discussed some questions. So as our fraction part we have covered, now in next video we will cover decimal part, and I hope that you must be understanding this part too. In next part we will discuss decimal. So please like, subscribe, share and thank you.